A close, slow pan traces the smooth, matte surface of the PlayStation 5, as the outer shell parts reveal deliberate dust-catching channels. On-screen text appears, "Outer shell, designed to channel dust away from vital components, prolonging performance." Subtle zoom highlights the intricate vents and the hidden battle against time and debris, underscoring Sony's silent war with the elements. The shell slides away, unveiling the massive cooling fan at the heart of the system. Overlay, 120mm fan, moves high airflow with low noise, reducing heat buildup. The camera glides over the heatsink, following finely directed fins and copper pipes. Text reads, "Heatsink and airflow path, engineered for efficient heat dissipation, keeping temperatures in check." Each angle reveals how air is guided with precision, a testament to cooling ingenuity. Beneath the cooling system, the motherboard comes into focus, its circuits and the central APU area gleaming under the lens. Concise text, "Motherboard and APU, the processing hub, designed for compact power and rapid performance." A shimmering layer hints at the liquid metal cooling solution. Text explains, "Liquid metal, advanced thermal interface for superior conductivity, a rare choice for consumer consoles." The journey continues to the power supply, nestled securely, and the expandable storage bay. Overlay, "Power supply, positioned for optimal airflow and safety." Another angle, "Storage and expansion, flexible design for future upgrades." As the camera lingers on the engineered layout, a final thought appears: one small change here prevents a massive overheating problem.